Hi everybody. Some of you guys know I've been working on a project with Alwood Lock Sports, Kelly Alwood, on these lock picks that he's designed and tested and proven. Well, there's been some question about the strength of them, so we're gonna sacrifice some parts and pieces and one pick to show you that they are quality. Okay, here's a handle that I cast. It's the same handle we use on the picks. It's not cleaned up and it's not finished, but it's just a handle. I didn't put the pick in there because I want to show you what it takes to break that. Here's a rake that we're going to go ahead and sacrifice for the cause here. I'm out here in my humble little shop to do this quick video. First of all, the handle. I use my vise for everything, so oh, sorry. Give me just a second here. Get everything set up. I guess I could have been a little better prepared for this. Okay. Got it in the vise. And we're going to pull on it. Okay. Now I'm putting a fair amount of stress on it. Look, I'm pulled back, putting stress on it. Okay. I don't know if you can see that or not. I wish I had help here tonight, but I don't. So you can see the white in my fingers. There's a lot of pressure being exerted. I'm really, there it goes. It bent at almost, well, not quite 90 degrees before it broke, but it did bend quite a bit before it broke. We're talking probably 60, 70 degrees. And that was just a pick handle. That was not a pick in it. There was no metal in it. Okay? So there we go. You can see they're solid. Each handle is cast individually around the pick. It's full tang construction. This one here, I knew I was going to destroy it for the sake of the video, so I did not color the handle. I did not finish it. You can see the bluing from the hardening and tempering process. Okay. Now these picks, anybody who knows lock picks knows that you're not going to exert tons of pressure on them, right? Right. Here we are at the base of the shaft, and the shaft profiles have been customized, custom made for Alwood Lock Sports and Kelly, just for this. He came up with the total design, everything. But we're using a custom thickness of steel, custom grade of steel. Okay, there. We're getting some pretty good bend on it. I don't have any safety glasses on, so I was being careful. It bent quite a ways before it broke. If you have that much side load on it, you're not going to get the lock picked anyway. Okay. So it's got a good temper to it. It's got a good hardness. I guess I could try to get it to go this way too. I'm going to have to. Okay, I'll put it in sideways so that you're on the profile of it. And it'll probably break a little quicker there because we don't have the side load strength. But I'm going to grab a pair of vice grips. Back over here. Oops, better tighten them up. I do just about everything in this shop, for those of you who don't know my garage. Okay, we're going to get on here and bend it. And this is a 8-inch pair of vice grips. in a 6-inch vise. There we go. Okay. Like I said, if you're exerting that much pressure on these tools, you're not going to get your lock picked anyway. Now, there was a comment made that the overall handle design was questionable. Doggone it. Pardon me, I dropped my phone. I apologize for that. Wow, that doesn't happen very often where I do something like that. I'm going to put the handle back in. Zoom back out. Handle back in the vise. It's cold out here today. I didn't turn the furnace on. Been doing other projects. I'll put it in at the same place that I had the red handle. Just the handle. Okay? So there we are. This is the handle with the full tang pick in it. Now I'm probably ought to pull just like I did the other one. Okay, here we're going. It broke and finally broke. I was well over 90 degrees, and you can see. Try to get out of the light here just right. That it broke. And it took quite a bit of pressure, quite a bit of force to break that. Okay? These are very strong tools. If you break them, you're doing something. If you break them, I want them back. Okay? Personally, myself. I want to see what it did, how it failed, where it failed. And I knew right where that was going to fail because I put it in the same place I had the other one. And I knew what it was going to do. But these have been tested repeatedly by many people. Different hardnesses, different tempering processes, different handle material. And I think, personally, I think Kelly's got a winner here. These are great. They work excellent. And if you have any questions about them, contact Alwood Lock Sports and check them out. They're quality. They're not Chinese. Everything is made 100% in the USA. The steel's from a U.S. manufacturer. The handle material is made, the components of that are made in Michigan. Everything's done here within a 10-mile radius. All the components are 100% American, 100% USA funded, and materials are used, everything. So check out Alwood Lock Sports, ALS, Kelly Alwood. And if you guys are into locks, locksmithing, lock picking, lock sports, check it out. Okay? These aren't the hack picks from China. You know, these aren't the foreign stamped out deals. Each one of these is hand finished. But they're just quality through and through. It takes a lot to break them. It takes a lot to compromise them. And you have to try to get them to fail. So, alright. Thank you, folks. To my regular viewers, thank you for watching this one. We got a lot more tooling and supply type videos coming. And now it's back to the regular stuff of fabrication, bodywork, customization, and just all around good living. Everybody have a good night. Stay safe.